Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First we need to open the Contacts app. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then tap on the Contacts icon. Now, let's tap on this icon right here to open the menu, select Manage Contacts, and here tap on Import or Export Contacts. Now let's tap on Import button, and here we need to select from where we want to copy the contacts. And I'm gonna select the SIM card. And here we have list of SIM card or other contacts saved on the SIM card. We can tap on them to select them. We can select one or multiple. We can also tap on all right here in the top right corner to select them all, like this, or unselect them. I'm gonna select 5 of them, then tap down, and here we can select where we want to copy contacts to. And we can select phone to save them on our phone, or Google, for example, to save them on our Google account. I'm gonna select phone and then tap import. Here we have the message that the contacts were imported. We can tap on OK, go back to our contact list, and here we have it. The contacts are copied. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.